Hello, I'm Kashif, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Sydney. Today I'm going to show you how to use a cross account to invoke Amazon Bedrock in your AWS account. Let's get started. In this video, we'll refer to account A as your account and the owner of the AWS Bedrock model, and we'll refer to account B as the cross account that needs access to the Amazon Bedrock in account A. Let's log into the AWS Management Console in account B and then choose AWS Identity and Access Management. Choose Roles. Choose Create Role, choose AWS Service, choose Service or Use Case Lambda, choose Next. Search for Lambda Basic Execution Role, choose AWS Lambda Basic Execution Role, choose Next. Give the role a name. For this video, I'll use the name my-lambda-execution-role. Choose Create Role, choose View Role, and then copy the role ARN. We'll come back to this role later. Now, let's switch to account A, the owner of Amazon Bedrock. Log in to AWS Management Console in account A, and then navigate to the Amazon Bedrock. Choose Model Access option and make sure that your desired model access is granted. In this case, let's use Anthropic Claude, which already has access granted. If you see that access is available to request, then choose Modify Model Access, select your desired model to activate its access, and then choose Save Changes. For me, access is already active. Next, log into the IAM console to create a role for Amazon Bedrock access. Choose Roles, choose Create Role, choose Custom Trust Policy, and then choose Add in front of Add a Principal. Now choose IAM Roles and then paste the ARN of the Lambda execution role that you created earlier in account B. This allows the Lambda execution role from account B to assume the role that's created in account A. Choose Add Principal, choose Next, and search for Amazon Bedrock Full Access. Choose Amazon Bedrock Full Access, choose Next, give this role a name. For this video, I'll use role-on-source-account. Choose Create Role, choose View Role, and then copy the role ARN. This IAM role allows Lambda in account B to assume this role. But in cross-account scenarios, we must provide access for both accounts. So switch to account B, log into the AWS Management Console, and choose IAM. Choose Roles, and search for the Lambda execution role that we created earlier with the name my-lambda-execution-role. Choose Add Permissions, choose Create Inline Policy, choose STS Service, and then choose Write. Then choose Assume Role. In the Resource section, choose Add ARN, and then choose Other Account. In the Resource ARN section, paste the ARN of account A of the IAM role that we copied earlier. Choose Add ARNs, choose Next. Give this policy a name. I will choose my-lambda-cross-account-policy. Choose Create Policy. Now the Lambda function in account B with the my lambda-execution-role IAM role can assume the IAM role-on-source-account in account A. And now you know how to use across account to invoke Amazon Bedrock in your AWS account. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.